District NCD SAIL Imphal West and UPHC Langol Tarung jointly organized World Hypertension Day under the theme Measure Your Blood Pressure Accurately, Control It, Live Longer at Meitei Langol Relief Camp today. Many experts deliberate speech on how to prevent blood pressure. Experts also said that hypertension can cause heart disease, stroke and kidney-related diseases. Meanwhile, Imphal East District Non-Communicable Disease Cells also observed World Hypertension Day under National Program for Non-Communicable Disease today at Ayushman Arogya Mandir, Haikru Makong. Blood sugar screening and ECG were measured for the attendees. Later, Ayushman Bharat ABHAID Generation Camp was also organized. Additionally, the Senior Citizens Society of Kundrakpam constituency also marked World Hypertension Day at the Kundrakpam Makhalekai Community Hall today. During the event, renowned heart surgeon Dr. Khetrime Mukala elucidated on the health implications of hypertension and provided insights into preventive measures against the condition.